top of the hour, let's begin the bulletin with some breaking updates where another Lingayat community tall leader and Congress MLA MB Patil has warned the BJP of losing the Lingayat vote bank if BS Yedurappa is removed from the post of the Chief Minister. Remember, lots has been happening within the Karnataka BJP too right after Yedurappa's visit to the national capital, where he called upon the Prime Minister and other top BJP leaders, including the BJP National President JP Nadda and Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh. Let me straight away go across now to Sagaraj, who's joining us live. Sagaraj, what's happening within the Karnataka BJP? Because there were certain rumors that actually also sort of a complete revival in the leadership in Karnataka BJP. Are we going to see a new chief ministerial post or a chief ministerial face in the coming few days? But there has been already warnings that has been given by certain leaders that losing Yedurappa. All right, Mr. MB Patil is with us on the phone line. Let me straight away go across to him right now. Sir, what do you have to say of the current crisis that has been going on within the BJP? Of course, do you... Sir, Mr. Patil, can you hear me, sir?
It is a purely internal matter of the BJP. But however, whom to be the chief minister, who should be removed, and who should be made. But at the same time, let me remind Yedurappa is a tall leader from the Lingayat community. He has a lot of contribution to the BJP party. He should be treated with dignity and respect. So, with his age and seniority and his contribution to the people as well as community is concerned and the party is concerned, he should be treated with dignity and respect. But I again reiterate, it is an internal matter of the BJP. I am a congressman.
No, sir, let's talk about the Congress party then, sir, because there has been a lot of rumbling when it comes to who will be the chief ministerial face of within the Congress party too. There have been different factions that have been divided over the name of Siddaramaiah as well. So what's happening within the Karnataka Congress now?
See, the Karnataka Congress is not in power. See, first of all, there's no question of who should be the chief minister. The party has to come to power. We have to get 115 plus seats in the next election, and our focus should be on that. After that, the High Command, along with the consultation of the MLAs, will select the leader. There is no question of we talking about the Chief Minister post now, because we are not in power. Once we come to power, then the MLAs' opinion and the High Command, with the opinion of the MLAs, will decide who should be the Chief Minister. There is no question we talking about the Chief Minister post now. We should come to power first.
Yes, but Mr. Patil, one question certainly arises, sir. Why are you coming? You are a Congress leader, sir. Why are you coming out in support of Chief Minister Yedurappa? I mean, you are calling him as the tallest Lingayat leader there, and losing him as the Chief Minister's post will be bad for the BJP.
See, Yedurappa is a tall leader.
Why are you jumping to Yedurappa's defense, sir?
Yes, I'm from the Lingayat community. And the community has some feelings. He should be treated with respect and dignity. He should be treated with respect and dignity. I'm not talking about, I'm told it's the internal matter, who should be the chief minister, who should not be the chief minister, who have to be removed, how has to be removed. But the question is, he should be treated with dignity and respect. That's what I said. He's an aged leader, a tall leader.
But are there no tall Lingayat leaders within the Karnataka Congress too, sir? Otherwise, why are you coming out in support of a BJP leader there? Because there has already been questions regarding his leadership within the BJP Karnataka. Let me also go across to Malvika Avinash, sir. Mr. Patil, sir, I request you to stay on with us. We'll get both point of views on air. Let me also go across to Malvika Avinash. Malvika Avinash, is it surprising that the support is coming to Yedurappa, the Chief Minister, from the Congress leader? A Congress leader, MB Patil, he's with us on the phone line right now, and he's coming out and openly supporting Chief Minister Yedurappa, saying that he should continue as his post as the Chief Minister of the state.
With all due respect to Mr. MB Patil, I think it's certainly not his call, and his opinion is not solicited by anyone on who should be the BJP Chief Minister. And it's unfortunate that he's speaking out of turn. And he really doesn't have a reason to worry about what's going on within the BJP. He should be thinking about what is going on within the Congress. Yes, because DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah are at war, and it's all out in the open, and they are not even in power. If they can't keep their house together, I don't see why they should be talking about the BJP. I think Mr. M.B. Patil is completely speaking out of turn. His opinion on this matter is certainly not solicited.
Mr. Patil, sir, would you want to respond? Are these comments that you are making your own? And what if you do not garner any support from your comments within your party, sir? What will happen then?
No, I'm telling you, I had made it to go to my tweet. It is my personal tweet, and it has nothing to do with my party. I'm talking as a Lingayat person. He should be treated with respect and dignity. I did not say who should be the chief minister. None of my business. It's an internal matter of BJP. And again, I told another question also.
Our leader, sir. He is not your leader. I don't see why you are getting so worked up, sir. You are the person who tries to split the Lingayat. So, sir, please, it's okay, sir, relax.
I'm telling about
you are the person who tries to break away the Lingayat community from the Hindu society. Sir, Mr. M.B. Patil is completely speaking out of turn.
Malvika and Mr. M.B. Patil. Sir, ma'am, I have to interrupt you. Apologies for that. We are looking at the House being reconvened right now. We have to cut across to the live proceedings. Thank you very much to both of you for joining us live here on the broadcast.